Hey kids, welcome to this week's episode of Let's Draw! Today, we're going to be drawing this cute little bird family. With our artwork this week, what we're going to do first is sketch it out using a grey lead pencil. Then we're going to outline it with our black marker and add some colour. So let's take a closer look at what we're going to need for today. We're going to use a grey lead, rubber, sharpener, black marker and some colour pencils. Don't forget, you don't have to use any of these things, you just have what you've got available at home. Okay, so who's ready to draw? I know I am. That's right, say it with me. 1, 2, 3, let's draw! To help us with our drawing today, I'm just going to draw a vertical line down the middle and another horizontal line across the page. We're going to draw the middle bird first, and for the shape of our bird's bodies, we're going to do like a rounded teardrop or a raindrop. Add 3 little tail feathers. For the bottom bird, we're going to draw the same sort of a shape, but slightly bigger and facing the other way. For our bird on top, we do the same sort of a shape now, but just slightly smaller and facing the same way as our bottom bird. We're going to draw some legs now that are going to join our birds together. So each set of legs will go to the top of the bird underneath. We're now going to add some features onto our birds, starting off with the beaks, some eyes, cute eyes, and our wings. And the wing shapes are sort of similar to the body shape of our birds. We're going to add in a little flower now for our birdie to smell. Add a line along the bottom for some grass. We're now going to draw a long curved wavy line for the stem of our plant. We follow that up with a second wavy curvy line all the way down to our grass, and then add on some leaves. I'm now just going to add some other little details to our birds. So I'm going to make a mama bird, a daddy bird, and make our little baby bird. Now that we've finished sketching out our picture, we're going to get out our black marker and add our outline. Let's use a rubber now, and we're going to tidy up our drawing by rubbing out all of our little sketch lines. It's just going to make our work a lot neater. Going to start to add some colour now, and I'm using colour pencils, but you can use whatever you like. You may have textures at home, or crayons, or water paints. You can use whatever you've got handy and available. So when I've done my colouring, I've done some different colour combinations as well. So you could add different sorts of colours to yours. You might have some spots or stripes or zigzags. You can use any colour that you like as well, so you don't have to copy the same colours that I've used. You can use any colours at all. For my mama bird, I've ended up blending my colours together, so I've used different shades of purple. So I've got a darker purple to start with, and then I'll move to a slightly lighter shade of purple, and then I've got another shade of purple as well. And then finish it off with a nice pinky colour. Time to add our colour to our daddy bird. So again, I'm just using some different colour combinations, doing some stripes and things as well. So I've used a bluey colour and a greeny colour to colour in some stripes. And then after the beak, I add some orange for the legs and a nice dark red colour for his wing and on his tail. Now we just have to colour in all of our backgrounds. So we've got our grass that we'll add some colour to, and don't forget our flower as well. And that's it, we're done. So how did yours turn out? I hope you had a lot of fun drawing along with me today, and I can't wait to see yours. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and as always, stay creative.